Has your GST registered business opened a new branch that you now wish to add on the GST portal? Well, adding a branch to your GST registration is considered a core amendment under GST. But don't worry, the process is simple and easy. In this video, I will provide a step-by-step guide on how you can add a branch or additional place of business under GST. So let's get started. Hello and welcome. I'm Annapurna from Clear, from the makers of Clear Tax. It is India's largest tax and financial services platform. Clear serves more than 3,000 large enterprises and more than 4 lakh growing businesses. If you would like to get clear explanations on updates relating to GST, e-invoicing, e-way bills and much more, then please do subscribe to our channel. Step 1. Log into the GST portal at www.gst.gov.in. Step 2. Next, navigate to Services, then Registration, and then select the Amendment of Registration Core Fields option. Step 3. Click on the Principal Place of Business tab, which is the third tab displayed on the screen. You now need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and then turn on the button for Have Additional Place of Business. Then click on Save and Continue. This step needs to be done only if there are no additional place of business mentioned on the portal until then. Step 4. Next, click on the fourth tab, that is Additional Place of Business. Now enter the number of branches that you would like to add and click outside the box. Then click on the Add New button. Let me take you through this form in detail. The GST portal now requires a taxpayer to add the geolocation of their place of business. The user will need to drag the marker to select the exact location of their branch. You can also find your address through the search bar provided. Then fill in the address details such as the name of premises, the street, city, pin code, etc. If the same is auto-filled, you can verify it before proceeding to the next. Next on the page is the contact information. Here, the user will need to fill in the official email address, official phone number, mobile number, and fax number if available. After this comes the nature of possession of premises. Here, similar to how you would have provided details at the time of GST registration, you will now need to select the nature of possession of premises from the drop-down list here. The options are consent, leased, own, rented, shared, and others. Next, you will have to select the proof of additional place of business. For example, if premises are leased, you first select the proof you are providing, such as the electricity bill, rent or lease agreement, etc. You then have to click on the Choose File to upload the proof document. Next, tick the box applicable under Nature of Business Activity being carried out at above mentioned premises. After this, at the final step on this page, you will need to provide reason for amending the GST registration and the date of amendment. Now, click on Save and Continue. Step 5. Once you go back to the details of additional places of businesses page, click on Continue. Then go to the verification page. Step 6. Once you have reached the verification page, you will need to check the verification checkbox after reading the same. Next, you will need to select the name of the authorized signatory from the drop-down list. You then need to enter the place and select the option for digitally signing the application, that is either using DSC or EVC modes. On successful submission of the application, you will receive a message on the screen stating successful submission. You will also get an acknowledgement on the registered email address and mobile number within 15 minutes. Note that the amendment to core fields require the approval of tax official. A message of application approval or rejection by tax authority will be sent via SMS and email to the registered email ID and mobile number. Adding a branch under GST was as simple and easy as that. But filing GST returns can sometimes be time-consuming and complex. Why not automate your GST return filing and file error-free returns with India's most trusted GST solution? Let me introduce you to Clear GST solution. Clear GST offers users a host of exclusive features for 100% accurate GST return filing, powered by multiple validations at every step. With Clear GST, you can connect with hundreds of ERPs and import data error-free, file all returns from GSTR1 to GSTR9C and many more made at least 3 times faster, match over 6,000 invoices in less than a minute and detect 100% tax credits with AI-powered matching. Get 2 to 7% tax savings with smart reconciliation and reports. Get multiple validations done at every step, reviewed by over 60 experts, and choose from a variety of smart analytical reports available on tap. If you would like to get a demo of Clear GST filing software to understand how you can file error-free returns and get up to 7% tax savings, then please click on the link given in the video description and enter your contact details. One of our product experts will get in touch with you to schedule a demo at your convenience. We are now at the end of this video. I hope you found this video useful and you're now able to add additional places of business to your GST registration with ease. Please don't forget to click on the link given in the video description to explore the Clear GST solution. Also, if you found the video helpful, then please do support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.